It's your boy Barab, and Team RMI definitely got my support.
It's your boy Winners. I just want to give a big shout out to Ricardo, Keone for representing Marshall Island. Let's go Team RMI.
Hi, my name is Lulani and I'm in full support of Team RMI.
Hey, what up, world? Support Dushlama, aka Dat Booker from the Island Vibes. I'm here to support Team RMI all day, every day. You don't know.
This is Nico Jack, supporting Team RMI, Ricardo and Keone. Anyways, God bless.
Peace Production, going for Team RMI, Keone and Ricardo. You definitely got my support, bro. Alright.
What up, it's your boy Atu, and I'm here to support Team RMI all the way.
Hey, what's good? It's your boy Clanny Glannery, aka Flavor C, and I'm here to support Team RMI. Let's go.
Well, hello everyone. It's Lizzie Matthew. I'd make a big shout out to my main, Keone and Ricardo, for representing RMI. Peace.
Yeah, man. It's Yasta, man. Just wanna say it, I fully support Team RMI, especially my two young blood, Ricardo and Keone Johnson. Yo, man, I'm a big fan. Keep it up.
Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your girl Queen D on the Micronesia, here to show my love and my support for Team RMI. Ricardo and Keone, we love and support you here in Arizona, and we wish you nothing but the best. We couldn't be more proud to be represented by two fine musicians over there in the state of 808. What else can I say? You got our support 120%, and we respect what you do. We got this, baby. Holla for $1.
Easy because I like my dreams. Let go.